Hello! So this video is for once you've built your Smartibot following the instructions that came in the box. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect it to the app and how to use it with the app. So the first thing is to download the app. If you search in the App Store or on Google Play for Smartibot robot, you should find the app. Okay, so here's the app icon. So you can see you've got four icons. The first is for the control pad mode, the second is for the AI mode, the third links to the YouTube channel, and the fourth to the shop. So if we open up the control pad mode, we can see that the robot is there. So we connect to the robot and we come into the classic pad. So this is the classic pad. Okay, you can switch pads by pressing this button. And then you can see that there are 4 pre-saved pads. So there's one here, for example, that allows you to drive the robot like a tank. And then each of these pads can be edited by pressing the edit button. And then you can say add another controller, like a big button. It asks me to save it as a new name. And then you can edit the mapping for each control element. So when I hit pressed, I can say I want M1 to be 100 and M2 to be 100. And then it goes forward when I press it. And then we can delete it. Add maybe a slider. So using this editing feature, you can add all manner of different types of control and map them to whatever you want on your robot. So if you connect additional servos or other motors to the different outputs, you can change the mapping and you can build up quite a complicated controller for whatever robot you've made. So the next thing I want to show you is the AI mode. So if you want it to be in portrait, you attach it like this. And then I think I've set it to detect people. So if I turn it around, you should see me. And it's driving towards me.